Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to present to you our research on the problems faced by students during online classes. But before that, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. So my name is Hani Adriana and my partner is Nurin Syalwaniefahmi. We will start with a background study. So first we need to know the definition of online classes. So basically online class is a course conducted over the internet and it is also known as open and distance learning. Almost every student around the world has been tuned into a teacher or lecturer through electronic devices. During this pandemic of COVID-19, online classes have been seen as one of the best methods to continue the lesson. During this survey, we have collected information that have drove us into the problems that faced by most of the students during online classes. And lastly, at the end of this project, we can recommend some of the best way for students so they can feel excited when they want to attend their class. Here we have terms of reference and procedure. So for the terms of reference, it is very simple. It is to conduct a survey and research on the problems faced by students during online classes. And for the procedure, we have given a set of questionnaire consisting of 25 questions to 141 respondents who are currently undergoing online classes. And the respondents reached the age range between 15 years old to 23 years old. And moving on, we will look at the findings where the questionnaire located. But before that, we are really grateful to our 141 respondents who have been participated in this study. So here we have demographic questions, which is a very basic, very general question, such as gender, age, and education level. So here we can see most of the respondents are female, and a big majority of them are in the age of 18 to 20 years old. And then most of the respondents are currently doing the foundation, matriculation, or diploma. So here are one of the example of the question that have been given to our respondents. So first, here we have where are our respondents currently? So a big majority of them, which is 123 of them are at their home, while the rest, 18 of them are studying at the college. Second, we have the average time each day they spend for online classes. So 65 of respondents are having their classes 5 hours and above, while 57 of them have 3 to 4 hours of classes per day. And the rest, which is 19 of the respondents, have their classes 1 to 2 hours every day. Okay, here are some of the medium that they usually use during online classes. And a Google Meet has been chosen as one of the very famous online classes platform that have been chosen by 124 respondents. Here we also have quizzes, Zoom, Google Teams, Webex, Kahoot, YouTube Live, Discord, and etc. So to continue this presentation, I would like to give it to my partner, Nurin Shalmani, to continue.
So another question that we asked our respondent is either they can get class material easily or not from their educators, and 103 say yes, while another 38 say no. Next. We also asked them about types of disturbance they often face during online classes, and 50.4% of our respondents are having internet connection problems. 29.1% are having external interruptions, such as noisy surroundings, family, and so on. And the other respondents are having some other problems like their device's condition and social media interruptions. Next, Hani. We also asked the respondent about their opinion for their online test results, and 64 of the respondents say that their results from online tests were reliable. 14 of the respondents agreed to say that their results were very reliable. Another 34% students agreed to say that their results from online tests are unreliable, and the rest of them say their results were very unreliable. Next, Hani. We also asked respondents about their opinion. Either e-class will replace face-to-face classes soon, and 46 of our respondents believe that distance learning will replace face-to-face learning, while 25 strongly agreed with the statement. Another 42 respondents disagree, and 28 of them strongly disagreed that distance learning will replace face-to-face learning soon. Next. We also asked them either their educators are helpful during their online classes or not, and a huge majority agree with the statement, while 31 of them strongly agree, 19 of them disagree, and another 5 of them disagree with the statement. Next, Hani. After done all the findings, we can conclude that majority of our respondents choose Google Meet as their online classes platform, and internet connection have been identified as a major factor as the interruption faced by the majority of the respondents. More than half of the respondents believe that they can easily get class materials from the respective teachers or lecturer. Many of the respondents believe that group assignments were difficult to accomplish during distance learning since they cannot interact with each other, and a big respondents preferred to attend physical classes rather than online classes. We also prepared some recommendation for a better online class session. We should have a strong internet connection, not just students but the teachers also, so the classes will be smoother and more enjoyable. We also need to eliminate the distraction by finding the best place that no one can disturb you. Turn off your cell phone to avoid losing focus when notification pops up. Next, we should prepare our mental and physical by sleeping early so that we do not stay focused. Other than that, we should prepare ourselves earlier before the class started by reading the materials given by our respective teachers or lecturers. And last but not least, we should actively participate in our class so we can understand better, engage with our fellow classmates and our educators. That is all from us. Thank you.
But before to end this presentation, we hope that our recommendation will help the students to solve their problems during their online classes, so that they can, so they can focus. Yes, they can focus during the class and not sleep, and they can get better marks during their exam. Right, Nurin?